Hello people on the internet, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be sharing a few best ways to make money from code. So let's make some money. Alright, so there are tons of ways to make money from code. But with this COVID situation, the best way to make money is doing it remotely. So first off, freelancing. So my idea of freelancing here is quite different. Not using the traditional websites like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelance. I know you can make pretty decent amount of money on these websites, but the offers and hourly rates of most of the projects on these websites are low. So what I would suggest is asking your friends and family to find small businesses and build a website or a little application. This way you'll be able to make a couple of $1,000s. The second way to do this is reaching out small businesses and offering them to create a website. The best way to do this is to create a template on your iPad or laptop with the business's logo so they get convinced to make you an offer. So you can follow these two methods and start your freelancing journey today. If you have a better idea of freelancing, leave it in the comments below. And now a word from our sponsor. So this video is sponsored by DionCodersor.com. DionCodersor.com is providing live coding classes for Python. This course assumes that you know nothing about Python. It will teach you in depth about the basics and advanced concepts of Python. So what will you be learning? Complete fundamentals of Python including data types, functions, object-oriented programming, graphical user interface, databases, etc. We'll also look upon advanced concepts like machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science and web development. With that, you'll also learn about HTML, CSS and SQL. On the way, we'll build a lot of web, desktop, machine learning and AI projects that you can put up on your engine. This course teaches you everything you need to master Python. You can watch it anytime, anywhere, as many times as you want. You'll also get access to a private group and mentorship program for free. At the end of this course, there will be a mega code jam and the winner will get real prize money. You'll receive a special discount if you share this with your friends and they enroll in it too. And if your friend wins the code jam, you win it too. The first 50 students will avail a special discount. If you miss this opportunity, you'll be missing out so much. So enroll now, limited students only. The link is in the description. Alright, next is to develop app. Now this has a crazy potential to make you a lot of money, but comes with a few conditions. To make a lot of money, you must have a good idea. Else, it doesn't matter. I'm not telling you to create apps like Instagram or Facebook. They are hard to build. But if you have an idea, you can start with something small. For example, there are a lot of apps on the App Store that are easy to build, but can make you a lot of money. Like a simple game can even earn millions of dollars. The thing here is to come up with an idea. If you have a good idea, you can build a $1 billion app. Alright, next is to share your knowledge online or offline. Now there are several ways you can do this. First is to create a course. You can either create free course on YouTube or sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera or Skillshare. You can also make pretty decent amount of money from YouTube partner programs. The second way is to start teaching. If you have good knowledge about a programming language, then you can teach students for a couple of $100 per hour. You can either do this online or offline. And the third way is to create a niche website or a podcast. Now creating a niche website is similar to blogging. In this case, you are creating content about coding. You can also start a podcast channel and tag sponsors. This way you can make pretty decent amount of money by sharing your knowledge. Now there are other ways around to make a good amount of money from coding. A few of them are creating website templates, like creating templates for WordPress and selling them. The other one is coding contests. Coding contests are dedicated to programmers to participate and win real prize money. So those were my tips to make money from coding. Now there are a lot more that you can find. I hope you got some new ideas to try. If you like this video, hit that like button and do subscribe. I'll leave links to my social media down below, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, as I'll be sharing this kind of knowledge every day. So that is it for this video. See you in the next one. Until then, happy coding.